I've been working on restoring this 81 Yamaha GT80 and I needed a spanner wrench for the special exhaust nut. So I took that piece of metal and bent it around the diameter of the exhaust pipe right where it goes into the engine. And here you can see I'm cutting away at that piece to leave two teeth that will grab onto the special exhaust nut. And here I'm starting to clean up the piece to weld on a handle for the spanner wrench. So I got those pieces cleaned up and clamped onto the table, and I'm just making an educated guess on how much current I need to weld these pieces. So the first weld that I did on this tool was slightly colder than I wanted it to be. That's why it's always nice to have a test piece to make sure your machine's dialed in before you go and start welding on your final product. But there it is, all welded together. And then I had to bend the handle to clear the frame. But it ended up latching onto the exhaust nut really nicely. And this tool was fairly easy to make. So it just goes to show if you have some tools and some spare metal laying around, you can always try to make the special tool that you need before you go and buy it. That's all I got for this video, guys. I plan on uploading a lot more in the near future. As you can see, I got an original gas tank for this bike that I'm working on. And I just got finished completely stripping the frame, repainting it, did a full engine rebuild. So this thing's just about ready to go. And yeah, that's not an original seat pan. I couldn't find one anywhere, so I welded this contraption together. And hopefully I'll add some foam and fake leather on it pretty soon here. Side note, I don't really have any subscribers, so probably nobody has wondered what happened to the big yellow fat motor I was working on. I may upload a video about that in the near future as well. But until then, show some love, like and subscribe, and ride safe.